we can send the packets from branch office 2 to head office. So head office router name is R0. So here we can give 201 and here we can give R0. Add. Next we can go to that serial interface 3. Okay, in serial interface 3 we can use the DLC value 202. So using 202 we can send the packets from branch office 3 to head office, that is router 3 to router 0. So here we can give the 202. So the head office router name is R0. Add. Okay, in particular serial interface we can add the DLC value. Now we can go to that frame relay connections. In connections we can give the frame relay. In frame relay, this is source and this is destination. So here we can see serial 0 port. In serial 0 port, using serial 0 to R1 and serial 1 to R0. So here we can see serial 0 to R1, that is through this port we can send the packets to R1. So serial 0, then router name is R1. Next, in R1 router, so here we can, if the branch office wants to send the packets to head office, means through the port serial 1, through the port serial 1 only it can be send the packets to head office. So here we can select the serial 1 to router name R0. So we can add, that is serial 0. If the head office wants to send the packets to branch office, means through the port serial 0, so we can give serial 0 to router 1. So we can give the router name as R1. So serial 0 to R1. If the branch office 1 wants to send the packets to head office, means through the port serial 1 to R0. So here give serial 1 to R0. Next we can click add. Next again, through the serial 0 port only router 0, that is head office, can send the packets to branch office 2. So here we can give the router name as 2. So in branch office 2, router 2 named as R2. So we can click R2. If the branch office 2 wants to send the packets to head office, means through the serial port 2 only it can send the packets to router 0. So here we can click serial 2, then router name is R0. So R0, no problem. Then we can click add. Again the head office can send the packets to branch office 3, means through the serial 0 port only it can send the packets to router R3. So here we can click R3. If the branch office 3 wants to send the packets to head office, means through the port serial 3 only it can send the packets to router 0. So here we can give serial 3 to R0. Next we can click add. Okay, now we can configure the static frame relay. Now we can check router 0 can ping to router 1, router 0 can ping to router 2, and router 0 can ping to router 3, and same wise router 1, router 2 and router 3 can ping to router 0. Let's we can check ping 200.200.200.2. yeah, we can get reply. We can give 3, get 4. So using frame relay concept, we don't need to use the routing protocol, but here we can use the routing protocol, then only it can be communicated to the so using routing protocol only we can communicate from the head office in local area network 1 to branch office 1 local area network 2, vice versa. Okay, now we can configure the routing protocol. We can use the routing protocol EIGRP, router space EIGRP. Then we can give the autonomous system value, that is 1 to 65,535. Here I will give 100. It is common for all the router. Next we can give the direct connector network is local area network 1 IP address is 192.168.100.0, 192.168.100.0. Next network WAN network is 200.200.200.0. no auto summary. Exit. Now we can configure into router 1. So router EIGRP 100. The autonomous system value is common for all the router. Next direct connector network is network in branch office 1 local area network 2 IP address 195.200.100. So we can give 195.200.100. 200.100.0. Then direct connected network is 200.200.200.0. No auto summary. Exit. Next we can configure into router 2. Router EIGRP 100. Then local area network is LAN 3 199.199.199.199.199.0. network 200.200.200.0. no auto summary. Exit. Okay, now we can configure into router 3.